Alright, guys, let me welcome you warmly. I'd like to share with you the present I got for Valentine's, which is in, well, a few days' time. So, this is like a dream present, especially for a guy. So, let me just show it to you. I'm not sure if you know what this is. So, let's make it a riddle. Okay, let me show you the box first. It came in. Alright. So, what's inside here? There we are. I think you have pretty good idea what this may be. This is diesel, so what does that company make? Alright, so let me just quickly show you guys if you don't know yet what it is. Alright, a couple years ago there was a cool ad campaign with diesel, so pretty sure you can find it still, with well-known actors. Alright, so there we are. It also says diesel here for successful living. This is the motto, which you probably heard. And let's open it up, guys. Alright, here it comes. Here it comes. Alright, there we are. Oh man, this is nice. Okay, it's a diesel watch, guys. In fact, it's pretty huge. Check my arm out. So this is really wonderful. Okay, and as you can see, it's got that motto, only the brave, and here it's got the diesel logo type. Right, let me just show it to you guys up close. Pretty cool, ain't it? All right, so again, only the brave, diesel, and here's the model number, DZ7315. All right, I must say this is a very cool gift. Okay, can't wait to put it on.